Welcome to my new video. Today we'll be seeing Dyson V15 Detect Plus unboxing. Today I received this box after a long wait for almost like 20 plus days because it was getting manufactured. They ran out of stock. Let me pull this out. So that's Dyson V15 Detect Plus. And that's how it looks. The box looks inside after I remove the packaging, the shipping package. So when I ordered Dyson V15 Detect Plus, I also got some free attachment to it. It was free of cost. So let's see what extra equipment they gave me free. Alright, so these are the extra accessories I received with this shipment. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. That's what's in the box. This is looks like a limited warranty paper. That's a safety manual, and then you get this safety manual, important safety instruction. I'll read that later. And that's what's in the box. These are all the attachment which comes with it. And then what's in there. Okay, that's a power cord for recharging. That's a cleaning head, floor cleaning head. I think so. It's a soft brush. I can see it's it's a soft brush. That's the another cleaning head brush. So that is a docking station, a winding clip as well in there, or maybe somewhere in here. That's the machine. Wow, it's on. So that's my brand new Dyson V15 Detect Plus machine. It's already on. This is English, and the battery is already there, connected. That's how it looks out of the box. Keep it down here. Let's see what's in here. Alright, I have the stubborn brush here. I was looking for it. So here I found it, the stubborn brush. And then this is a cleaning head for your mattress, pillow, sofa. So that's my pole. Let's open it. I believe it's the golden color. Okay, that's the golden color pole. So this pole has an attachment here. So when I press this, I have this coming out, and then I have the brush head, which by pressing it comes down, or push it back here. So this goes in here, or we can put it here, and then you can attach this thing to the machine. Let's get this back and get this thing back into here. All right. Okay, I still have one box here to finish. I thought I am done, but there's more to it. So this is a quick start guide. Well, I don't need that. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's one more cleaning head. Okay, that's a soft brush. So many attachments. I don't know if I even need them. That goes on the docking station. You can have this to put your attachment. Alright, so I guess I have completed the unboxing of everything, and I guess I should be good to go to get the machine ready now. Let's get started. The machine is fully assembled now. It's clean. It's brand new, of course. It's clean. And let's look at the screen, what it shows here. So it says English. Click. Keep it pressed for English. Fully charged before first use. So it tells me to charge this before I use it. So I don't know how much is the charge. I press this. Currently it's in auto. Eco. Okay, eco is this much charge I have. Auto is this much, and boost this much. Doesn't tell me how many hours remaining, but that's what it is. Let me keep it pressed. That on. Particle count on. Motor sensitivity medium. Exit menu. Okay. Keep it pressed, and it starts a countdown. So now you're out of that screen and you're in eco mode. Okay, so I'm going to recharge it fully before my first use. Machine is now charged 100%. When it came from the factory, it was 25%. So for the remaining 75%, which I was charging, took almost like 3 hours or so, and it's 100% charged now. And this is currently in medium. And let me see if I can change it to eco, medium, boost. I'll keep it to eco for now. And this has a HEPA filter, which comes only in V15 Detect Plus. This is washable, and you have to wait 24 hours after you're washing, and then once it's dry, make sure it's dry before you put it back on the machine, otherwise it will damage your motor. So I'm going to put it back, and I think so V15 Detect Plus only comes with the HEPA filter. Rest of the machine I was comparing, they only had a full filter. full machine filter, but not the HEPA filter. Let's go and test it. So let's start from this end here. Okay, before I start, let's see how much dust it shows me. Currently it shows me 982 particles. Well, let's see. Now you can see this particles here. That's some food stuff fallen on the ground. My kids keep on dropping a lot of stuff here. So let's see how it does that. Now let's see the dust particle here. Wow, that's too much. That is too much of dust in here. I'll go ahead and clean this, come back, and then we'll try the medium mode. But in meanwhile, while I was cleaning this, I could see this message here which says please clean your filter. I mean, that doesn't make sense. This is my first day I'm working on this and it's asking me to clean my filter. Wow. So let's move to the medium one, which is auto. Let's make it stand towards the wall. That's the difficult part of this. It doesn't stand like other electric vacuum cleaner. All right, so not a big, but there is a lot of stuff in there. I can see a lot of dust has been pulled, which is amazing. Even after vacuuming on the eco mode first time, on the medium it still pulled quite a bit. So I'm going to empty this again and let's see the boost mode. Okay, so the filter is clean now, and now we're going to change it to the boost mode, and let's try. Okay, so on each mode it kept picking up dust for my carpet. So this was the square piece which I kept vacuuming on eco, medium and the boost mode. And on the boost mode, which was the last mode I used, it still picked up quite a bit dust. And let's see what it does tell me now. How much particle have I picked up? Wow, that's quite a bit. And it tells me 8 hours 23 minutes left on the battery. I'm going to change it to auto eco. Okay, it looks like somewhere around 70 to 80, 75% of battery still remaining, I believe. Okay, so I have changed now this to the soft brush. I'm going to turn off the light and let's see how the laser light is effective. Quite a dust was picked up, and as usual it keeps telling me to clean the filter. Today is my first day. I don't think I need to clean it, but then I'll clean it tomorrow. That brings to the end of this video. It's going back on this docking station I have here. I bought this separately. This did not come with the machine. I had to pay 99 bucks for this. It was 150, but because I bought Dyson v15 Detect Plus, it gave me some discount and was offering me for 99 bucks. And that's how it goes into the cradle here, and that you see the light blinking, which means it's getting charged. And on the top you see this number 55. That's means it's charging now. Please hit me a like button and subscribe. If you can share, I'll appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.